I want you to choose a short story and start translating that short story into Arabic in a vlog or in a journal or in a notebook or in your computer. What that can help you with is simply put you on track of improving your skills. Every day, start by translating a chapter from that particular story or novella or novel that you chose. This will help you stretch your skills in language and improve your learnability of vocabulary, and also it will push you a little bit forward when it comes to developing and galvanizing your language skills in general. This is one way of improving your vocabulary and also improving your translation skills. Also, you need sometimes to volunteer doing some work to other people because that is going to sharpen your skills and clarify your vision of where you want to be, building on who you are right now. Reading and becoming an avid reader is a necessity, and I should not remind you of that anymore because it should not be quite imposed on you. You need to take it with a grain of salt. Whatever people tell you online that this is the best way or that is the best way. No, it is your way. It is not their way. It's not my way. It is your way of learning. The necessity of language and the necessity of English is really high in the 2021. The upcoming year, it's pretty soon. So you need to equip yourself with enough tools and enough technology to help you learn this language efficiently. Thank you so much for this daily vlog and looking forward to see you in another one.